Hi and welcome back to the channel. So I ordered some Funko stuff again, and of course I am going to unbox it together with you. And I ordered 6 different things, and 5 of them I still know. And one is also a little bit of a mystery to me. Oh, and also I got this from Funko Europe because at the moment it's one of my favorites to order my Funko addiction stuff. So I'm going to open this up, unbox it. It's again lovely package. So are you ready? Because the first thing I'm going to take out of here, it is totally Minnie, and she is from the Archives collection. So I really love this one, and this is Minnie through the decades, and this is actually one of my favorites because it is from the 80s and I really love her outfit. Here on the back you can see there's also Playing Crazy Minnie, Minnie on Ice, Princess Minnie, Totally Minnie, this one, and Minnie Mouse, just like she is. Okay. And the next one I am going to take out is Princess Minnie. Ooh, I really like how she holds her dress like princessy, and I think I really do like this collection. Okay, that's it for this thing. And in here also I've got a little Yogi Bear soda, and this is the blacklight version, and I saw it and I was like, I need to have this because I'm like the biggest fan of Yogi Bear. So I'm going to open it up at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 3 more to go. And the next one, it's another Minnie. So this is the Minnie on Ice, and she is indeed on skates. This is so cool. And the next one, maybe you can guess it already a little bit, but it's Minnie. And this is the Plain Crazy Minnie. I also have like the normal Plain Crazy Mickey, and I really love that one. And I really liked that the pop is in black and white, and the tip of the brush is yellow, so a little hint of color in there, and I really love this one. Okay, the very last one I'm going to get out, it is Fuzzy Lumpkins. And I've got this one already from a different unboxing video that I will link. And then I got the Chase version, what I was really happy about. So I got them again because now I don't want the Chase version but the normal one. So hopefully you will get the normal one. Okay, so which one first? I am too curious about Fuzzy, so I want to see. I will pop up in the screen again how the normal one looks and how the Chase one looks. So the Chase version is flocked, I think you call it, and I really love that one, and I'm not getting this open. I'm not going to look inside. So feet first. Which one am I going to get? Ah, it's the normal one. Yes. Yeah. So here is the normal Fuzzy. I am really happy that I have both, and the little antennas on his head are so good, and I'm so happy with the soda. Okay, and now I'm going to show you the chip flippo thing, and here you can see Fuzzy Lumpkins, and on the back it says it is a 1 out of 3,350. Okay, so now for the new one, it's Yogi Bear, and as I said, it is the blacklight version, so I'm really curious how this is going to look. Over here I also see Funko 2022 limited edition. Okay, now I don't know how the Chase version is going to look, but I'll pop it up on screen somewhere. Ooh, it is looking so cool. Whoa. Colors on this one, oh my god. And he's so happy with his little basket with all of the food he's going to eat. Let me get the chipboating. And yes, this is just the normal Yogi Bear, and it's 1 out of 5,000. So this is the haul for everything that I got. And for the mini archives one, I now only have to get the last one, the normal Minnie Mouse. And then this one is going to be complete. And I am so happy with these, and I'm also really happy with these two. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time. So and the other one, it was the Fuzzy. Fuzzy? Fuzzy? Nee. Wait. Vlogged? Yeah. Okay. And now for the new one, it's Yogi Bear. Yogi Bear?